Hi, welcome to another new video. I hope you guys are doing really well, and in this video I am going to walk through how to automate regular emails in Microsoft Outlook, and it will be a step-by-step breakdown for you guys. So without any further ado, let's get into it. So here you can see we already had an account in Outlook, and if I want to automate these emails from with this Outlook version, then the process is literally really simple. But if you don't know, then it may be affect you, it may be look like that it is so much difficult, but trust me, it is so much easy. You just need to be follow some essential things to make it automated. So here you can see we have this 9 button option. Here you just need to be click, and here in the search form of the find Microsoft 365 apps, here you just need to be search automate, and you will get this power automate option. Just click over here. Once you click over here, then it will give you the options here, sign in required. So I just need to be sign in here. Just click on next, and then there is some problem I get, so I'm going to use my second account over that one. So let's dive into it. So as you can see, our automation sign in has been done. So they are asking for choose your country, so I'm going to click on United States. Then I click on this button, and it will take a while to make it, so we need to be wait a while. So eventually our Power Automation account has been done. So here you can see we have a couple of options. Here you can see learning your every level, so analyze process mining reports and Power Automation. You can watch this may be a video. It will help you to know about more, like furthermore about the automation here. So here it is a video, so you can see it one by one, like they are making a tutorial for you, so you can easily use their platform. So I know about automation, so I'm going to click on template. So I will choose from that place a template which will be relevant for my work. So my main target is to make a automate email template. So here I will search for template Outlook, and let's hit the enter button, and they will give you the right template for me. So here you can see we have sub of like save outlook.email attachment to your OneDrive, then save email attachment from. So the main thing is you need to be explore it one by one, and you need to be find out which one will be perfect for you or your business. So we have couple of options. You can see create task in planner for Outlook, then click power buttons to start approval SharePoint, then we have save email attachment to SharePoint, then many more, like we can send email from shared mailbox on Microsoft from submission. So we can check it out. Let's check this one, or we can check this one. Let's check this one. This was related, or I can say that relevant one. Daily update, I will get daily reminder. So I click over there, and it is preparing on here, and you can see that you will get daily reminders from your Outlook email. So recurrence office 3, this is our Outlook, and this flow will connect to sign in. Just click on sign in, and it will be sign in. They will ask you the traditional thing in your process. So there's a problem they get, so I'm going to click on fix connection. So whenever you will get a problem or you get any issue, then you just need to be take it as easy as possible. Like every problem has every solution, like you can easily overcome all the problems. So here you can see our Outlook has been added in here. You can now check this out, invalid connection. Just click over here again, and I will try to fix it as fast as possible. So it has been fixed. So this way you can easily make automation template for you can. And now eventually we will dive into the main topic, that is automate regular emails in Microsoft Outlook. So this way you just need to be created from the scratch, because we don't have any yet in the template version. That's for reason I'm going to click on create. Once I click over here, now you can see we have some of options here: desktop flow, schedule flow, instant cloud flow, then automated cloud flow, process mining. So I'm going to click on automated, then flow name will be, I'm going to copy one of this, that regular, automate regular emails, and I will paste it here. Then search for the trigger, that will be Outlook. Here you can see we have this when a new email arrives in a share, when a new email arrives. So I'm copy this, then click on create, and now you can see that eventually it redirect to my flows options. So they are telling us to connected our mail over here, so inbox. So you can check out this show advanced option, just click over here. Here we are going to add to an other thing. You can see the necessary step. Next step will be we need to choose the operation what we want. Here you can see built-in, standard, premium, then custom and main. So you need to be choose your ones which you want. I want mail. I send an email notification, and once done, then go over here and you need to be click on accept, and here you just need to be write something whatever you want. So to I'm going to add my mail, and I'm going to provide a list of valid email address separated by semicolon or a comma. Okay, 109@outlook.com, comma .com. These are the mail. I paste it over here. Enter custom value from to the description to the message. So I add the description. As you can see, this is the dynamic way. Then again I'm going to add the subject this way. Then you can add the body here, and let's add the importance, and is done. I'm going to save it. Sum of connection not authorized yet. If you just created a follow from template, please add authorized connection. So they are telling us to connect our Outlook to our this Power Automation application. So you can do it. Let's go and let's find out the Outlook options. Let's search for Outlook, and here you can see outlook.com. I copy it and then create contact, create event, send an email. This will be the automation regular emails. So you just need to be click on sign in. Once I click on sign in, then you will be redirected to this place, Rahman, and now eventually you can see we will be signing over here. Just click on accept, and it has been signed in here. All the work has been done. So this way, when you done your work or you already done to create your follow, you are able to get your automation regular emails in your Microsoft Outlook. So the process is really simple. Or if you understand more about this Power Automation, you can explore it one by one to know further about this one, or you can go to the learn function where they already provided some videos for us. Like I can say that is tutorial for you, which will be knowledgeable for you if you want to know more about this Power Automations. As I say you, then here you can see approvals. We have this approvals premium account required. So you are, if you have a premium one, then you can access this option. Then process mining, also you need a database to use this process mining. Then you can check this out. We have prompts, AI hub, and many more. So I hope this video was really knowledgeable for you. If you found out this video was helpful, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day. I will catch you in the next video.